I've been using the Teige Hanley Level 2 skincare system for a couple of weeks now, and it has simplified my skincare routine a lot. Each product in the collection has incredibly simple names that spell out exactly what they do and when to use them, so it makes it really easy to remember what to apply when. Wash is of course the face wash, or technically water-based cleanser, that you apply at the beginning of your skincare routine in both the morning and the evening. Scrub is the face scrub that you should use to exfoliate your face during your morning skincare routine twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Eyes is a special eye cream you should apply both in the morning and evening to reduce puffiness and remove eye bags. And AM and PM are moisturizers that you should use on your face in the morning or AM, and PM or evening respectively, with the AM doubling as a 20 SPF sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun's ultraviolet rays during the day, and PM being a nighttime moisturizer. Before the Teige Hanley Level 2 skincare system, my skincare routine would take anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes, and now with the Level 2 system, I can consistently get my skincare routine done in less than 10 minutes, or if I'm really in a rush, as little as 5 minutes. So if you want to take care of your skin in a way that will cover all of your bases and save you a lot of time, pick up the Teige Hanley Level 2 skincare system for yourself today and you'll be set.